Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to log column width in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here I show you first to increase the column width. I select the one column here, go to the home tab, then in cells group, click on the format option and then select the column width. Now here the defaults is 8 mention and here I increase up to 17. Then click on OK and you can see the column width increasing. Okay, and you can easily change this column width also. Just you can see when you keep cursor on this column line, you can see the one plus sign showing, then plus arrow with arrow is showing. You just drag with the mouse. You can see here the width 15.14. Now I drag again 10 width. Okay, then you can increase the column width also 38, 37. See, okay. And with this same option also, you can use the format and go to the column width and you can change here also. Okay. But if you log the column width, you can't change this both way. Okay. So I show you. Simply select the column, go to the home tab. In cells group, click on the format and in protection, click on the protect sheet. Okay, in protect sheet, select the first option, select the lock cell. Okay, see when you select the first option is automatically select the second option also. Then set here the password. Okay, so I set here the simply 123 and click on OK. Again, I simply 123 and click on OK. Now you can see when I keep cursor on this line, only arrow down arrow is showing. Okay, you can't increase and decrease the column width because it's locked. Same as when you go to the format option with this selection, this column, you can see this option is not showing the visible. So you can't change the column width here also. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.